One of the things that we do here at Fitness Solutions that I think that makes us a little bit different is the way we think about an exercise in and of itself. You know, usually the exercise is like, you know, I give you a weight and I say to do it, and then down at the behavior level, I'm going to be trying to correct all these things to make you do it right. You know, move your hands here, go, no go here, oh, do this, do that, blah, blah. And like a lot of my clients have said over the years, it's just so much to think about. And so what we want to do is we want to bring that down a little bit, because we've learned some things about motor control. We've learned some things through cybernetics about how the brain works. Perceptual control theory is another thing that we've learned about that allows us to be able to look at exercise from a different perspective. And we look at it from the perspective of the goal, okay? And that you set the goal. And when you set the goal, and my job in that process is to help you clarify what the goal is. What is the goal? Okay? What is the goal for a specific movement? I'm going to show you what that goal is. I'm going to help you to clarify that in your mind. And then I'm going to get out of the way and let you do it. All right? So now here's the thing. This is how that kind of works. All right? We have a thing here, and this comes from perceptual control theory, called the comparator. We might also think about that. You may have heard a word, we talked about it before, called the cerebellum, okay? But there's a part of your brain that's kind of monitoring what's going on, okay? And so that comparator gets some information down from your frontal cortex and says, we want this goal to happen. This comparator watches to see if that's happening. And then it sends out and makes corrections about what you're doing. So it's like, if you're a little bit off, let's say we want you to do a curl and we don't want you to move your shoulders, but you move your shoulders, the comparator goes, oh, shoulders moves, makes the adjustments, quiets the shoulder down so that you can keep it all in the bicep. That then comes down to your muscles make the adjustment, and then the load is moved in the way that we want it to be moved. You perceive that, and then your comparator goes, we're on track, keep doing the same thing, and then that process keeps happening. We can do that at a lot of different levels, from the level of the biomechanics of how you do the movement to also the level of where you want the movement to be at the end of the set. And we also can do it based upon how you want it to feel when you're done. What's your toleration of discomfort? You can adjust it to that level for you and still get results.